Go to the Layer menu in Affinity Photo and select New Pattern Layer. New Pattern Layer defaults to 32 by 32. Now I don't want that, I want 1440, which is the size of the document. However, it limits it to 1024. That's it. Now I'm going to keep 32 the same, click OK. With the Move tool selected, if you go over there, you can see the pattern layer. You can also see it in Layers, the pattern there. What I'm now going to do, I'm going to fill it with the gradient. So just go over here, and by default, black and white. You can change the colour, of course, you can use different gradients. You don't have to use that, but I'm just going to apply a black and white. And you can see now what happens. You've got this line, which doesn't look great. Well, you can go over here to the Move tool, and you can set that to mirror. Just put mirror on there. Much better. And also what you can do, hold down the shift, and you can then compress that design. So you get some very intense lines, very quick to create lovely line designs like this. But also what I'm going to do, I could also rotate it. Just quickly go there, and you can see you can rotate so you can get a different angle. Also you can go to Layer and Merge Visible, and that turns it into a pixel layer or rasterizes it. So Merge Visible, now you can't change it anymore. Well, you can change it of course, but it's no longer a pattern. And I'm just going to remove that pattern under there. So just got Pixel Layer. But also what you can do now is you can go to Filters and you go down to Distort. Now I could use Deform, that's one of my favourites, but I'm going to go for Mirror. Good old Mirror, and you can create all kinds of star designs, etc., and much, much more. So just going to increase that, and you can see what you get. You get this. And also you of course can modify and move this around if you wish. You can also change your input, so you can get a variety of different designs. So you can think, you know what, that looks a much nicer star design. So you've got a really intense line star design, and you can increase the number of mirrors if you want. Up to you. Click Apply. And once you've done that, what you can do, you can turn this into a pattern layer as well. But I'm not going to go for the Layer and New Pattern Layer. I'm going to go for New Pattern Layer from Selection. Obviously I've got that selected, so click there. And again, go top left and go for Mirror. And then you can see as you move that away, you can see now you've got this very intense line design, which of course you can resize, move around, change, distort in many different ways. And of course, scale as well. So it's a quick way of creating very intense line designs. And of course what you can do, you can always rasterize that if you want. So Merge Visible, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.